Hello, I'm Abra here with another IELTS video about writing task 1 academic. In this video, I'm going to share with you a strategy that you can use to tackle this type of question. So here is the strategy for you. Let's take a look at each step. First of all, you need to read the instructions carefully. Then should highlight the keywords in the instructions. You have to read the statement. And you must underline the keywords in the statements while reading. You should also paraphrase the statement using synonyms. You must structure the information into 4 different paragraphs. Finally, you don't have to write a concluding paragraph for this type of question. Let's have a look at the question here. The pie charts below show the online shopping sales for retail sectors in New Zealand in 2003 and 2013. Now, let's look at the instructions, what we are supposed to be doing with the statement. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. And here are the 2 pie charts representing different retail businesses. So let's here underline the keywords in the instructions so that we can stay focused. We have already read the statement. Now let's learn what to do with the statement. So summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features. So we have to report on the main features and make comparison. So summarize the information, talk about the main features, and make comparisons if necessary. Now let's analyze the 2 pie charts. If you look at the film and music sector, yeah, there is an increase from 21% to 33%. So from 21% to 33%. Now, let's take a look at the travel sector. So it goes down from 36% to 29%. Now, if you look at the books here, okay, it increases from 19% to 22%. So from 19% to 22%. And finally, clothes industry, again, it dips from 24% to 16%. So if we analyze the 2 pie charts, you observe that some sectors do well in business while others do not do so well. So there are changes. So for general trend, we find that the businesses experiences ups and downs. So based on the information given in the 2 charts, I've made some notes here on the left. As you can see. Now, after analyzing the data, we need to structure the information into 4 different paragraphs, such as introduction, overview, paragraph 1, and paragraph 2. Now, what are we supposed to do with introduction? Introduction, you should paraphrase the statement using synonyms. Now, we are going to highlight the keywords again. How we actually paraphrase. So as you see the pie charts, again in the paraphrase statement, the pie charts, because pie charts are pie charts. You can't change them. Yeah. Below show the online shopping. So for show, yeah, what do? We say give information about. So we have paraphrase. We are saying the same thing using synonyms. Show, give information about. The next one, online shopping sales. We say the virtual sales. For retail sectors, we say for retail sectors, we say in retail business. For sectors, we use the word business. And in 4 different areas, as we have look at the 2 pie charts, yeah, like there were 4 different sectors like travel, music, clothes, and books. So I have said 4 different areas. In New Zealand, again, you can't change the name of the country unless it has different names. And again, the years, you can't change it. So New Zealand in 2003 and 2013, it's almost the same. So this is how we need to paraphrase. You need to use synonyms as much as you can. So you are saying the same thing using different words. Now, you need to write an overview for this. In overview, you just write the main patterns or trends. Okay, so let's have a look. The 2 charts make comparisons. Yeah, what do? Actually, they make comparisons. So the 2 charts make comparisons of virtual shopping in retail, in different types of trade in New Zealand from 2003 to 2030. And what did we notice about the general pattern or trend? So we write here. It's noticeable that there was remarkable change in terms of percentages of online business for the said period. So there were a lot of changes. Yeah, the businesses experience ups and downs. Now, in body paragraph 1, you need to add details such as numbers, figures, percentages of transactions in online sales. So, body paragraph 1 reads like this. We can observe that the travel sector did considerably well at 36%. So as you can see, in 2003, the travel sector did quite well, about 36%, whereas it dipped to 29% in 2013. So I grouped the information based on increase and decrease here. Okay. So as you can see, from 36 to 29%. Entertainment industry, that is film and music here, peaked from 21 to 33%. So from 21% to 33%, which became the highest sales in online business in 10 years. Yeah, and this was the highest sales in online business. Now, what could be the reason? This change indicates a major shift towards digital media consumption. That means people are using more, yeah, digital media. In body paragraph 2, you need to make comparisons related to any increase or decrease in sales of different business types. Although the clothing trade did marvelous transactions of 24% in online sales, it had dropped to 16% by 2013. So if you look at clothes industry, yeah, it went from 24 to 16%. So 24 to 16% in 2013. It is surprising to note that sales of books performed better than clothes. Now, if you look at books, it did better than clothes. From 19% to 22%. 19% to 22%. The growth in online book sales can be attributed to online bookstores, competitive prices, and immense popularity of ebooks, right? So it's easier to buy things, yeah, online, bookstores, ebooks are getting popular with the readers, and so on. Now, here is the final version of writing task 1. We have put them all together, yeah, with introduction, overview, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2. I've also done another thing here, that I've highlighted synonyms, useful phrases, cohesive devices that I have used in different colors so that you can easily identify. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share if you find it useful.